Welcome to this guided mindfulness practice. Today, we will focus on becoming the observer, noticing our thoughts, emotions, and surroundings without getting caught up in them. Mindfulness isn't about forcing stillness or shutting off the mind, it's about learning to watch the mind with curiosity rather than being carried away by it. Take a moment to settle in. Whether you are sitting or lying down, find a posture that feels supportive but relaxed. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. One more time, inhale deeply and exhale fully. Let's begin. Before we begin observing the mind, let's create a sense of stillness within. Imagine that your thoughts and emotions are like ripples on the surface of a lake. Right now, we are letting the water settle. Start by softening your gaze or closing your eyes if that feels comfortable. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. No need to control it, just let it be. Take a moment to listen to the silence beneath the noise. You don't have to do anything, just be here. Now turn your awareness to your thoughts. Imagine you are sitting by a river, watching the river flow past you. Each thought is like a leaf floating on the surface of the river. You don't need to pick up the leaf, change it, or stop it. Simply observe it as it drifts by. If a thought arises, gently name it. Ah, that's a memory. There's some planning. Oh, here's a judgment. Then let it continue downstream. If your mind pulls you into a story, no problem. Just notice, I was swept away for a moment, and come back to observing. The mind will wander. It's what it does. Each time you return to noticing, you strengthen your mindfulness muscle. Let's sit in this space for a few moments, simply watching our thoughts appear and disappear like clouds passing in the sky. As you continue observing, begin to notice the gaps between thoughts. Between one thought and the next, there's a space, stillness. Tune into that space now. Let yourself rest in it, even if only for a moment at a time. Breathing in, feel the stillness between thoughts. Breathing out, settle deeper into presence. Let's take 3 quiet breaths together. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. One last time, breathing in, breathing out, letting go. Now let's bring mindfulness into the present moment. Without moving, simply become aware of your surroundings. Notice the temperature of the air against your skin, the sounds that are present near and far, the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. You are here now. If any thoughts arise, gently return to this moment, the sound, the breath, the stillness. The mind may try to pull you forward into the future or back into the past. That's okay. Each time you return to presence, you are choosing clarity over distraction. Take a moment to fully arrive in this moment, just as it is. Before we close, take a moment to notice how you feel. Noticing, not fixing. Mindfulness is not about controlling what arises. It is about allowing life to unfold while remaining aware. As you return to your day, I invite you to carry this presence with you. Even a few seconds of mindfulness, pausing before reacting, noticing a thought before believing it, can create profound change. Let's take one final breath together. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly open your eyes, bringing this mindfulness with you. Take a moment to thank yourself for joining this practice today. Move through your life with awareness, ease, and spaciousness. I appreciate you being here. Have a wonderful day.